built.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. When they put the kitchen in, they've done it with the different stuff. Never fun. Looks like it needs a bit of work too.
Yeah, sharp, eh?
Like we're gonna go around.
Right.
We're gonna have to, I don't know, I haven't even touched it yet, but hopefully it's not like, and it's a little bit moving.
Yeah,
It's never fun. Yeah, it's just stuff everywhere. That's just bad paint there. Thick paints.
It's going to be a line.
There? 2 screws there?
There's
Yeah,
these guys will be there. We'll be running from front to back. It's like that any little one. Over here. See him, divot?
Oh, there?
Yeah. Okay, then that's that one.
I think there, yeah?
Yeah.
You see that? Oh, that is just, you can't even see it. It's that. Looks like one there, yeah?
No, there. You're saying because of that.
Oh. Yeah?
Yeah.
I can't even see that hardly, eh?
600.
Oh, I see that. And I see that.
Yeah. Okay, now we'll go to this side. We'll do the same, and then we'll go to
This is the, this is the way to do it, hey?
Yeah.
Are we doing it, bro? This is it, bro?
Mass production. Yeah.
That just made me get on the hole.
Be near enough, and we'll pick it up even if we're messy.
We'll look at it, it's tape measure.
That'll have a butt joint on it, so you want.
It's on the butt joint there.
Yeah, so probably split wherever the next one is. So pick these ones up and then you'll split that too. Look back on the laces. Look back on the laces.
Okay, so
measure.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Laces. Sure. Ding ding ding, be close. That's in there. Yeah, it could be. Close, near enough. Okay, that takes care of that. Did we say we're going to fix these or? Yeah, you do a full job out there and it's like, and still, that's not going to guarantee that.
It's not a quick fix. Yeah.
Without backblocking.
Yeah. We'll tell them that.
Yeah.
We'll say one way to make it better.
Well, the only code is to get up there and backblock.
It's got all that cool and cozy. It's not easy. Yeah, I gotcha.
You want to pick them up individually, just for the here. Okay, now we need
We just chalk it, eh? Might not even need to chalk it.
No, I don't think so. I think just take a recess.
You can almost see them. So
you know, like just 200. Go boom, 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 boom. 156 inches. That doesn't walk it. 100 mil.
Who am I? Who am I? Oh, I spotted him. We got a hit, sir. We got a hit.
Maybe one more at the end. That's further than 600 off the wall. That's awesome. Maybe one closer to the ground.
Yes.
Yeah. More for the recess. No, that's... Anyway, that's that one. See, all the motors, nice and tight.
Yeah.
But
Just
a lot of doors and windows.
Just the midsection. Cornices are, eh? Cornice is good. It's just that, it's that dang cool and cozy, bro. It's just the cool and cozy, guys. Cool and cozy.
We might clean
Environment.
Clean the back and then stick blocks on it. That way we don't have to put an expansion, double expansion, because that'll look funny. But we can reach over for that easy. Oh.
Yeah.
Just back it out.
Got some patching to do. How bad's this one? This one looks alright. The recess is still crap.
I'll get some dark in here, sorry, Mum. I love the dark. No, I think that's good, man. That's pretty good. I just skin the recesses in here. They're not cracked.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
So not
You
even.
can put a couple of screws around there, and especially this. I don't know what that is. Some sort of feature, some sort of line.
Well, there's one here anyway.
But maybe ping. You can ping the recess and then skim it.
Just the recess area.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to.
So pick them up.
Yeah.
So you're going to pick them up.
Alright, yep, shine over here.
Stay in the recess. Where you want the
What?
recess.
Alright, what, down here?
Yeah. So
Do you reckon, what, like?
no, just to reinforce the recess.
There's been a shitload of setting in here too, eh?
Skimming the recess. Start doing that. Yeah, sure.
Oh, you know it's good. You know it's. Yeah, it's.
There it is. I can see the screw there. And recess.
Oh, it's here, it's here. It's amazing the different light. Like for a second, I could not see anything. Where's the next?
There. That's it.
Yeah, but look, it needs filling. It doesn't. That shit.
Yeah, we'll go through.
We should just get them.
Yeah. This is a hammered ceiling. So this is not a screw ceiling. So this is why.
Right. Yeah. Good point.
You remember we talked about like before screws we had nails. What they used to do when you hit the sheet, it bubbles paper. Then the paper's loose.
Yeah.
That's that effect.
That's what I'm picturing. Yeah, and you could hear it. You'd be able to hear it if you tap it.
Yeah, even though it's all set, it's all good sound, but because of the hammer.
It's only 3 bedrooms here, right?
Yeah.
Not too bad. not too bad.
Yeah, so you can do plenty of breakdown room by room, walk in.
Well, it's just that these walls are in here pretty good, just one thing bad. Well, let's get these ceilings great again. Ooh. My radar being